Sometimes when we have customers come in, they are not aware that their floor plan can be modified and customized to fit their needs. So today I'm going to talk about flex spaces and the multiple uses they have. A flex space is exactly what it is. It's a flexible space that you can make whatever you want it to be. A lot of the times we see customers use it as a bedroom, a playroom, an office, or if the floor plan doesn't already come with a dining room, they make that their formal dining room or formal living room. There are several floor plans that come with a flex space. Some of these floor plans include the Berglund Modern Farmhouse, the Oxford, the Auburn, the Brookwood, and the Manchester. Within these floor plans, they range anywhere from 1,800 square feet to 2,700 square feet. Let's take a look at the Berglund Modern Farmhouse. Upon entry through the front door, you've got a bedroom on the left side and a study or dining room on the right side. You can take the study/dining room and create it into the fourth bedroom. Sometimes with a flex space, customers will opt to make that their formal dining room. Your floor plan may already come with a breakfast room, but this formal dining room offers an intimate feel in a separate space. If you look at one of our smaller plans that include a flex room, such as the Auburn Modern Farmhouse, choosing to use this flex room as an extra dining room really opens up the space. It allows more families to get the space they need while all being comfortable at the same time. A lot of the times, flex spaces come in handy for customers because we can customize it to meet their needs and expectations. If you want to learn more about our build process, please visit us at americashomeplace.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.